Hi everyone, we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET, and I am with Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. And I always enjoy these, and I can smell this, and I wish everybody could. So tell us what we're making.
Okay, so we are just making some really simply prepared sautéed and red pepper and green beans. Sorry,
Okay.
Green bean and red pepper sautéed with a little bit of garlic, ginger, and sesame seed.
Okay, and again, if you could smell this, it just smells so good.
I mean, garlic and ginger sautéing together, it doesn't get any better. And so we wanted to go ahead and sauté it ahead of time so we can give our sesame seeds a little bit of color.
Okay.
They are optional, but they are also delicious and they're good for you. So
Right.
Start with some sesame oil, which you already have in the pan. Chop garlic, chop ginger, your sesame seeds.
Okay.
And then we have some green beans. So these are fresh green beans. And so this morning I blanched and shocked. That just means that I trimmed the ends, plunged them in some boiling water, waited until they turn bright green, and then put them in some ice water to stop the cooking so that they are nice and bright green.
Okay.
Okay, so these are gonna go in just like this.
Yeah, because the color is beautiful.
Yeah. And then some red peppers, and so of course you could use any kind of color or peppers that you want to use.
If you have a preference.
Yep. And so these are just gonna get tossed around. Add a little salt and pepper to these if you want. If you're trying to watch your sodium, then don't. But this is a great side dish if you are needing something to go with some grilled chicken, grilled fish, shrimp, and makes just a nice little Asian-inspired side dish, especially if you add a tiny bit of soy sauce. But the ginger and the garlic, they really give it that.
So you could give it a little more of a twist if you wanted. But I mean, just the color alone, when you put it with like a piece of meat, like you said, or fish or something like that, just creates this beautiful meal.
Right, and you know that you're eating really healthful food when it's very, very vibrant.
When it's got good color.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
I love it.
Okay, so this could go a little bit longer if we had more time on TV, but we're just gonna go ahead and dish these up.
And is this something too, like say if you wanted to put diced chicken or tofu or something, you could easily just mix it in there and make it more of a main dish?
Chicken, fish, tofu, just put it right in there, saute it up, and it's ready to go.
Look
and
at
so
the
these are
color.
totally edible the way they are, but you could go ahead and saute them and get some color on them too.
Okay, perfect. So can I just use my fingers?
Of course, have a green bean.
Like, I just want to use my fingers and get in it. Okay, these are very good. And I love, just like you said, the ginger, the garlic. It tastes amazing. It can be a side dish, a main dish. Go ahead and go to KJRH.com for more information.